I tested 13 of the coolest tech gadgets out right now, and a few of these felt like something straight out of science fiction. From an underwater jetpack to AI shoes that let you walk in virtual reality to a solar-powered car that might never need to be charged. This stuff is wild, but not everything here is worth your money. So today, I'm breaking down all 13. What's actually useful, what's just hype, and which ones I'd buy myself. Let's start with number 1. A tiny PC that looks small, until you see what it can do. This all-in-one mini PC is built for people who want desktop-style power without a huge tower taking over their desk. It is compact enough for clean workspaces, gaming setups, office desks, and travel-friendly productivity while still giving you a real computer experience for work, browsing, streaming, editing, and multitasking. It is perfect for anyone who wants a smarter setup with less clutter. Whether you use it as a main workstation, media center, portable office, or compact creator machine, this mini PC proves you do not always need a giant desktop to get serious everyday performance. Gaming glasses that make your screen feel way bigger. These XR gaming glasses are designed to give you a more immersive viewing experience without needing a huge monitor or TV. Instead of being locked to one screen, you can wear the display and enjoy games, movies, and entertainment in a more private, futuristic way. They are perfect for gamers, travelers, tech lovers, and anyone who wants a portable big screen experience. Whether you are playing from a console, handheld device, or compatible setup, these glasses make your entertainment feel more like something from the future. A clock that turns your desk into pixel art. This pixel art clock and flip timer is more than a normal time display. It is a visual desk gadget made to bring personality to your setup. With its colorful display style, retro pixel look, and timer function, it can work as a clock, productivity tool, and decorative tech piece all in one. It is perfect for gaming rooms, creator desks, home offices, streaming backgrounds, and anyone who loves gadgets with personality. Instead of a boring digital clock, this gives your workspace a fun, futuristic retro vibe that actually stands out on camera. Swim like you just unlocked a superpower. The Cudajet underwater jetpack is one of those gadgets that instantly feels like it came from a sci-fi movie. Instead of swimming only with your arms and legs, this wearable jet system helps push you through the water, giving you a faster, more exciting underwater experience. It is perfect for ocean adventures, pool fun, diving content, water sports, and anyone who wants to turn a normal swim into something unforgettable. This is not just a gadget. It is the kind of futuristic gear that makes people stop and ask, "What is that?" Your phone footage just got a serious cinematic upgrade. The Insta360 Flow 2 is a smartphone stabilizer built for creators who want smoother videos without carrying a big camera setup. It helps remove shaky movement from your shots, making walking clips, travel videos, reels, vlogs, and product shots look much more professional. It is especially useful for solo creators because it can help track your subject, keep your phone steady, and make filming feel easier. Compact, smart, and creator-friendly, this is the kind of gadget that turns your phone into a much more powerful content machine. A keyboard that makes your setup look instantly cooler. This SIKAI case keyboard is built for people who want their desk setup to feel cleaner, more stylish, and more satisfying to use. Whether you are typing, gaming, editing, studying, or working from home, a good keyboard can completely change the feel of your workspace. It is perfect for tech lovers, setup builders, gamers, and creators who care about both function and design. Instead of using a basic keyboard, this gives your desk a more premium and customized vibe while making everyday typing feel better. A futuristic desk clock that looks like a mini control center. The Divoom Times Gate is not just a clock. It is a smart pixel display made to upgrade your desk setup instantly. With multiple colorful screens, it can show time, weather, pixel art, animations, system-style visuals, and fun desk widgets that make your workspace feel more alive. It is perfect for gaming setups, creator desks, streaming backgrounds, and anyone who loves tech with personality. Instead of a boring clock, this gadget turns your desk into something that looks futuristic, colorful, and seriously eye-catching. Never hunt for fresh batteries again. The Ostation 2 Pro is a smart rechargeable battery charger built for people who are tired of throwing away dead batteries. Instead of buying new batteries again and again, this station keeps your rechargeable batteries organized, powered, and ready whenever your gadgets need them. It is perfect for gaming controllers, remotes, wireless keyboards, toys, flashlights, cameras, and everyday tech around the house. Clean, practical, and money-saving over time, this is one of those simple gadgets that quietly makes your whole setup easier to manage. Walk in virtual reality without walking across the room. Freeaim VR Shoes are one of the wildest gadgets for immersive gaming. They are designed to let you physically walk in VR while staying in a smaller, real-world space, making virtual movement feel more natural without needing a huge room. They are perfect for VR gamers, simulator fans, and anyone who wants a more futuristic way to move inside virtual worlds. Instead of just pushing a joystick, this gadget brings your body into the game and makes VR feel much closer to real movement. A car that can charge itself from the sun. The Aptera solar electric vehicle is one of the most futuristic ideas in transportation. An ultra-efficient electric vehicle designed with integrated solar panels to help add range directly from sunlight. Instead of depending only on charging stations, it gives you a smarter way to think about daily driving and clean energy. Its aerodynamic shape makes it look completely different from a normal car, and that is exactly the point. It is built for people who love future tech, electric mobility, and vehicles that feel like they belong in the next decade. This is not just an EV. It is a glimpse at what solar-powered personal transport could become. A tiny titanium tool built for everyday carry. The Cubik Titanium EDC pocket knife is made for people who love compact tools that feel premium, strong, and easy to carry. With its titanium-style design and pocket-friendly form, it is built for daily tasks like opening packages, cutting cord, handling small outdoor jobs, and keeping a reliable utility blade close when you need it. It is perfect for EDC fans, campers, makers, and anyone who appreciates minimalist gear that does not take up much space. Small, clean, and practical, this is the kind of pocket tool that feels simple at first, until you realize how often you actually use it. A power bank that looks like it came from the future. The Shargeek 300 is built for people who need serious portable power without carrying something boring. With its bold, transparent design, high-capacity battery setup, and multi-device charging style, it feels more like a piece of futuristic tech than a normal power station. It is perfect for laptops, phones, cameras, tablets, travel setups, creator gear, and emergency backup. Whether you are working on the go, filming outdoors, traveling, or keeping your devices alive during a power cut, this power beast gives your setup the extra energy it needs when outlets are nowhere close. A personal trainer built into one futuristic machine. The Ake Smart AI Home Gym is designed to bring a full workout experience into your home without needing a room full of equipment. Instead of guessing your form, reps, or workout plan, this smart gym uses AI-style guidance to help make training feel more structured, interactive, and personal. It is perfect for people who want to exercise at home but still need motivation, tracking, and smarter coaching. Whether you are building strength, staying active, or replacing a crowded gym routine, this gadget turns your home workout space into something that feels much more advanced and future-ready. That's all 13 gadgets. Full list with links to grab any of these is in the description below. Let me know in the comments which one you'd actually buy, and if I missed something that deserves a spot on this list, drop it below. I might test it next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.